The musical alphabet has 7 letters that include A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. These letters are used to identify every note that we play in music. Notes are placed on a line or a space in music. Notice here this quarter note is placed in a space. This quarter note is placed on a line. These notes can be placed underneath the staff, as well as underneath the staff with a ledger line. Like this. This note is located 1, 2, 3 notes below the staff in a space. The treble clef, or the G clef. It identifies the second line as the G note. Notice the musical alphabet repeats itself after G. It goes up to a space, which is A, then B, C, D, E, F, and G. As you go down the staff, it goes backwards through the alphabet, G, F, E, D, and so on. Bass clef, or also known as the F clef. It identifies the fourth line as an F. Just like the treble clef, it continues through the alphabet going up, F, G, then repeats A, B, and so on. As it goes down through the staff, it goes backwards through the alphabet, F, E, D, C, B, A, G, F. When you combine the treble clef and the bass clef into one staff, it is known as the grand staff. And the grand staff is connected by middle C. Just like the treble clef and the bass clef, the notes on the staves continue just like they would by themselves. So this is a C, this would be a D, E, F, G, A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. And in the bass clef, it would work the same way as if the bass clef were by itself. B, A, G, F, E, D, C, B, A, and continue on.